So dear students, now we are going to do the introduction of exercise 5.2. Before starting exercise 5.2, it is very important to understand its introduction. If you don't understand its introduction, it will be very easy for you to understand exercise 5.2. It will not be a long video, just an intro video. So suppose I have given you an AP 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dot 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 dot. Now if I say you find the sixth term of this AP, then very easily you will say this, or it will be 12. And if I say you find the seventh term of this AP, then very easily you will say 14. If I say you find the 10th term of this AP, then you will keep on adding D, you will get A8, then you will get A9, and then you will get A10. But what if I say you find its A102, 100 second term? Then what you will do? Of course, there has to be a formula for this to find any number of term. Okay, so the formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1d. The formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, this formula is very important formula, and you all of you must remember this formula, where a all of you know is the first term. A all of you know is the first term of the AP. It's very easy. It is the first term of AP, and D is common difference of AP. This all you know. D is the common difference of the AP. Now what is AN and what is N? Okay. What is AN and what is N? Okay. AN is the value of number at nth place, and n is the nth place. Now let me give you an example. For example, if we write any AP 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10, 12, then for 6 the an is equals to 6, and the n is for this term is 3. N is at what place this term is there? It is at third place. And an is value, that at what is the value at that place. Let's take another example. If I take, let's take an AP 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 dot dot dot, and if I say what is the, this is any term, what is the an of this term? The an of this term is 12, and what is the n of this term? N is 4, because it is coming at fourth place, but the value is 12. Let's take this term. Its an will be 6, and its n will be 2, because it is coming at second place, and the value at second place is 6. Okay, so this formula is very important, which is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. One more thing needs to be explained in this, the further thing. For example, any AP is there 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and we have to find its 105th term. So we'll write a, and we have to find A105. this AP A is 2, this AP G is also 2, and N is 105, because we know that we have to find the number which is at 105th place. We have to find that number. That is why we have to find A105. Now this formula will work. How it will work, let's see. We know that an is equals to a plus n minus 1 d. So a is what? A is 2, and n is what? 105 minus 1 into d, and d is again 2. It will be 2 plus 104 into 2. It will come out to be 2 plus 208, and will come out to be 210, A105. So the number at its 105th place will be 210. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. I hope this concept is very clear. I am putting a poll over here. If you haven't understood this concept, then please mark no, and if you have understood this question, please mark yes. Thank you. Now let's see example 3 of AP. Is based on arithmetic progression, the concept which I have told you just now, which is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now here it is saying that find the 10th term of the AP 2, 7 and 12 and so on. Any AP is there, 2, 7, 12, and it is going on. It is saying that you have to find the 10th term. This is the first term, this is second term, this is third term, and then fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term, and this 10th term you have to find. It means that you have to find the number which is at 10th place. It means that n will be 10. N will be 10. And of course the a is 2. You can see the a is 2, and the d is 7 minus 2, 5. We know the formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1d is the formula, and you have to find a10, because you have to find the value of number which is at 10th place. Okay, it is saying find the 10th term. It is saying that find the value of the number which is at 10th place. So a10 will be 2 plus 10 minus 1 d. This is a plus n minus 1 into d. It will be 2 plus 45, it will be 7. And it is also very easy. If you have to find a10, its formula will be a, always remember its formula will be a plus 9d of any AP. And further on you will get to know this thing also. If you have to find a12, it will be just simply do a plus 11d. This is coming by this formula only, because it is n minus 1, 10 minus 1 will be 9, n minus 1, 11, 12 minus 1 will be 11. If you have to find a105, just do nothing, write a plus 104 into d. If you have to, let's say, find a97, if you have to find a97, you will do nothing, you will just do a plus 96d. It is the same formula. Here we have already done n minus 1. It is coming 97 minus 1, 96. So directly you can do like this also. But of course this formula is very important to be learned. So dear students, now we are going to do example 4 of arithmetic progression chapter. Now it is saying that which term of the AP this is minus 81. There is any AP which is 21, 18 and 15. The AP is decreasing, so D will be negative. and it is asking that which term of this AP will be minus 81. It means that the value of term is given and it is asking the number of place at which this term is. Of course, there's nothing much to say about A. A is 21 and D is 18 minus 21. It will be minus 3. And this will be what? Minus 81. It will be an. Always remember. It will be an. Do not confuse between an and n. An is the value of number. It is asking which term of the AP will be minus 81. It means that minus 80 is there in the AP, but at what place it is coming. So you have to find the n. It is coming at what place we do not know, but it is there. It is the value of the it is the value of any term. So it is very easy question now. An you know, A you know, and D you know. Just this is the formula. An is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. So An is minus 81, A is 21, n minus 1 we have done, and then D is minus 3. Okay, and then what we have done, it so it will be An is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. It will be An will be minus 81, A will be 21, n minus 1 into D will be minus 3. So let's see how they have solved it. Minus 81 is equals to 21 plus n minus 1 3. Then what way they have done is that minus 3 n minus minus plus 3, 21 plus 3 will be 24 minus 3 n, and it will, when this 24 will come to this side, it will become minus 81 minus 24 minus 105. It will be minus 3n, and it will be 105 upon 3, minus minus cancel, n will come out to be 35. So it means that at 35th place, 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At 35th place it will be minus 81. Now another question is asked, also is any term 0? It has been asked over here that 21 in this AP, if there is any term which is 0, it means that we have to take in this place an 0 and we have to find n. Okay, always remember, if the question is asked, this is very important question also, if any term value of any term is given, an is given, and it is asking, tell me if there in this AP, in this AP, in this AP, if this term is coming or not. Here it is asked, if tell me that in this term if 0 is coming or not coming. So you will do nothing, you will take this term as an. Okay, and you know A is 21, D is minus 3, and an you have taken 0, and just put it and take out n. If n is positive, then yes, 0 is coming in this AP. Okay, other if n is coming out to be negative in fraction or in points, fraction or points are same, but then also I'm saying if n is coming in minus, for example minus 3, minus 4, or it is coming in fraction minus 4 upon 5 or 4 upon 5, or it is coming in points 4.3, 4.8, then this 0 is not in this AP. Okay, I hope this question is clear. If it is not clear, just I will do a polling over here, mark yes or no. Okay, thank you.